Dara Reneé and Issac Ryan Brown are teaming up for Disney's Magic Bake Off. HL spoke exclusively with the co-hosts about bringing the magic of Disney to baking shows and more. Disney and desserts? Yes, please. Disney's Magic Bake Off premieres August 13th at 10 p.m. on Disney Channel. HSMTMTS star Dara Reneé and Raven's home star Issac Ryan Brown gave HollywoodLife exclusive scoop about their new series and how it compares to all the other baking shows out there. We have Disney. We got the magic of Disney, Issac told HollywoodLife. We have all of these awesome challenges that Tastemade inspired for all of our kids, but most of the episodes are themed with Disney. We have theme park episodes, Simpsons episodes, princess episodes, all of this amazing Disney themed episodes, and all of our kids love it and attach to it. I'm hoping that's what makes our show different. Dara added, literally the themes in this show are absolutely amazing. It literally brought me so much nostalgia. Just growing up, I've always watched these shows, and to actually learn more about it and to eat a cake inspired by it. I'm eating cakes as my job. This is insane. I can't believe it. Related gallery. HSMTMTS Season 2, photos of Olivia Rodrigo, Joshua Bassett and more. Issac admitted that the Disney princess-themed episode was one of the more heartfelt episodes that we had because the kids got to give us their take on what a modern-day princess looks like and what that feels to them. He also revealed that the show was supposed to have a Marvel-themed episode in Season 1, but it didn't end up happening. He hopes to tackle the MCU on Disney's Magic Bake Off in the future. As for Dara, she wants to have a Disney Broadway-themed episode. She would love to have a live band and have some of the Broadway performers come in and do something and encourage the bakers. Disney's Magic Bake Off comes on the heels of the Season 2 finale of High School Musical, the series. Dara revealed her hopes for Courtney if the show gets a third season. I would love for Courtney to continue to discover herself and continue to learn her value and to know that whether she's in a relationship or not, she's absolutely fantastic, she said. I want her to keep following her dreams and know that everything happens for a reason and keep pushing her goals, inspiring herself and others. And more songs, hopefully. During each episode of Disney's Magic Bake Off, 3 teams of 2 race against the clock to design the most extraordinary cakes inspired by the magic of Disney. In the premiere episode, the co-hosts, along with Disneyland Resort pastry chef Graciela Gomez, guide the kid bakers through fun challenges and unexpected twists to create the ultimate descendants wedding cake. The winning team will be named Disney Baking Champion, and their winning recipe will become a featured Tastemade video available on Disney Channel and Tastemade's social media platforms.